Well, Dan, how about you tell us about our ForgeBox module of the week?
ForgeBox module of the week is Logstash. So Logstash is a logbox appender, which basically means that you can, what Logbox is, it's the logging solution that's built into ColdFusion, but you can use it standalone in your own apps. And instead of just doing a system output or a write, or a write dump onto the screen, the idea is that you use Logbox. You can actually say where you want your logging to go. Well, that could be an email, it could be to the system, it could be whatever, but Logstash is one where it takes the logging messages that you have, and it could be whatever you want, error messages, logging, and it dumps them into Elasticsearch, all right? And the idea there is you can actually then search, analyze it on any kind of ways that you want to look at it. It can be installed in, there's a client-only mode. Where are we looking? Anyway, the idea basically is that it plugs in a Logbox and it moves everything over to Elasticsearch. The idea that you can do much more analysis and views and everything on it. And it's handy. We actually use it in a lot of ways. We're looking to use it out of the client right now to kind of make their log a little bit more robust. So it's one of the reasons it's on here.
I think that sets us up very well for a revisit next week of Stashbox, which is a great Mortis module, a front end to Logstash for viewing all your logs. So stay tuned for that sense.
Logstash is the logging, and then Stashbox would be the viewing. So nice little alley-oop there for next week. Sweet.
That was our ForgeBox module of the week, brought to you by Modernize or Die Podcast, CFML News Edition, proudly sponsored by Order Solutions. You can see the new episodes every week on cfmlnews.modernizeordie.io or on the Order Solutions YouTube channel.